Yo, what's up, guys? Mike Cast back out with a brand new video once again. I'll try to be posting every day. And bro, yesterday I missed an upload. Like my parents turned off the Wi-Fi and they're about to turn it off in 34 minutes. It's like I gotta hurry, bro. The grind's for real. So basically, I want to talk today as at least what I've seen on why people are not succeeding at Shopify and some like major things on why they're not getting the numbers that they think they deserve or they want or they need. Basically, I'm gonna say the number one thing they need to learn more. Not only is it mindset, like motivation or anything, but learning kind of unlocks everything because like the moment like if you have a broke mindset, you're gonna quit, automatically. You're not getting results. You're not gonna be motivated, whatever. But if you learn more, you're gonna learn to stay motivated. You're gonna learn, how long stuff really does take, and you can learn how to speed up that process. I'm not saying you can get rich quick. Well, you can get rich quick, but I feel like you can't get rich easy. Well, I mean, get rich quick as in, like, I've seen people, they transform their life in a year or just 2 years now, rather than, like, let's say 30 years ago, it took them, like, 30, 40 years to, get a Lambo or something. I don't know, at least from what, I don't know, seems like to me, but, this whole internet wave. So if you want to capitalize on it, listen to this. Basically, number one, you have to watch videos. This video's for dropshippers. I'm saying, well, in general, you have to watch YouTube videos. That sounds stupid, but no, it isn't. But it's like kind of like reading books. Like I have a whole bunch of books back there. Obviously, it's not stacking high enough to where you can see it, but reading books. I'm not too big on reading books. I usually just watch YouTube videos for like education. Education. It sounds like stupid, watered down because of school, but it's actually really cool. You can do a whole bunch of things. Like I know, like if I don't know how to make $1 million, I haven't done it yet, but like if I wanted to, like I know how to make $1 million. I know how to travel here for free. Like that all takes learning. So like if you know how to do that, if you don't know how to do anything, like bro, you can't go anywhere. You don't know how to do anything. So like the more you know, the more you can do, the more you learn, the more you earn. Nah, but for real, recommend for drop shipping wise, I would say watch Sebas Bedoya, Hayden Bowles, Tanner Plains, Sebastian Esqueda, all very good dropshippers. I'm sure there's more, and Rory Gannon. I'm sure there's more. That's just the ones I watch. Shane Conrad, follow them on Instagram. You need to get the mindset, build your following list around those type of people, the people that you want to see results like in that, and just don't listen to anybody else, and mindset and like sales wise and a whole bunch of things. 100% Ty Lopez. He's just a freaking boss. He got me into dropshipping. I saw his ad on YouTube, and then I did his course and all that social media marketing. I actually use that for my business, so I don't use social media marketing for other businesses. I just use it for myself, which is pretty smart. I feel like my drop shipping business, I know how to run social media for that and Facebook ads. But Ty Lopez, 100%. Follow him on Snap, Insta, YouTube, Twitter, everything you try, because he gives so many tips, and like it's just like when you watch those type of videos, like you understand, like you don't have that broke mindset. I feel like, and you're much more open minded, and and there's just it's like I can't even like explain to you. Like he gives more justice. Like I don't give justice what he says. Gary V, watch all those people. Allan, Maman, he's not too big on social like video, but he is like social media. He's a G, but yeah, it's like those type of people. You have to keep trying. And what I said today, like I don't know, I think this was said by someone else. I might have been the one, but I said, man, if some people can't handle the lows, why would they deserve the highs? As in, like a lot of people quit. This is in a group chat. Like a lot of people quit when they don't get results and get impatient. They don't deserve results. So I feel like if you're not gonna spend 20 days failing, why would you expect to get one day of succeeding? And it's just like for me, this has happened so many times. It's absolutely insane. I don't know what it is, but like it's not like a low, but it's like a not getting results, and I'm like kind of like, bro, like where's the money though? No, it's not like that, but like you know what I mean. It's like bro, I've been working for 20 days. I've been losing money. Why am I not making money? And I feel like the lower down I go business wise or anything, it's gonna shoot up 10 times. It's crazy. Like it fluctuates a lot. You're getting results. You're not getting results. I'm working on getting consistency, but I feel like this like applies to you guys. Like if you're just digging down, like it's crazy for me in drop shipping. Obviously when you first start, you're gonna be losing money, whatever. It's gonna shoot up. You have your first $500 day, $1,000 day, 2,000. Like it's crazy. Like I remember, I was trying for so long dropshipping. I don't even know why I kept doing it, honestly. And then I was like losing money, and then I got on a phone call with Sebas Bedoya. Shout out to him. And then I made $240 the next day. It's not a lot, but like I still did it. And then I kept, I kind of got a hang of it. And then I was losing money, and then I had my first $1,000 day. Right after I had my very first $1,000 day, I shattered 2,000. I hit $2,700. And then right now, like business wise, I'm not losing money. I'm getting on a call with Shane Conrad tomorrow. Perfect, like super good dropshipper. Search him up, Shane Conrad on Instagram. He's in Team Jess, I'm pretty sure. Like right now, like business wise, I'm kind of losing money. I don't think I am. I have to check. I know I should be aware, but I know, dude. In like next month, where I'll be chilling. So like that's why I keep going. It's because like drop shipping, like this whole entrepreneurship, it filters out the weak, and that's good. If everybody's at the top, it's not the top. So maybe like everybody's at the top. If I don't, like, you know what I mean? Like the top is filtered by all the weak. So I'm trying to, like kind of show that I'm not and keep going. And I feel like you guys need to do that, stay motivated and everything. And that's why watching these guys, you kind of understand that. I wish I had somebody to say that to me right now. The whole, if people don't deserve, or if people can't handle the lows and they quit, why would they deserve, the results and everything, that like the rewards. Like a lot of people, like if you're at the very bottom and you're almost like at the end of it and you're about to go up, like you never know. But like you just lost $300. Wouldn't you want to work a little bit more and then maybe make $1,000? Doesn't make sense to me. But I mean, I don't know. I gotta post this video soon, but yeah, that's that. And just keep hustling. Like you have to learn. And I see a lot of people, they want to give step by step instructions. Like a lot of people hit me up, and I'm like, hey, hit me up once you have your whole website done and all that done. And then they never hit me up. It's because like these people, they like, if you're watching this, don't ask people step by step unless I've made it. I'm not gonna like help anybody one on one, because I just feel like I'm not qualified enough, and I don't have like free time. I'm working on myself still right now. So I feel like the best thing you can do, and I can do too. Like I have made it, so like like I'm not gonna bother the people that have made it. It's like watch an hour video on dropshipping. Like just watch every single video. Read books about marketing and psychology is really important. You need to understand like your target audience and like understand what they would do. And that's why like I'm switching subjects, but like just I'm literally just dropping gold nuggets out here. A like if you have a website, let's say, ask a friend like, hey, is this good and stuff. Like you need to understand the psychology of your buyer and what they're going to do. Like, does this look scammy? Does this look cool? Like I've gotten so much golden nuggets from like just like friends at school chilling. Like just anybody, just show them your website, like, hey bro, does this product page look good? If they say no and they're not going to buy from it, like, bro, you know how much money you just kind of saved or made, like, right there? Versus, like, rather when they say, oh, yeah, dude, that site looks so good, which they have told me, but I always try to say, like, criticize this, because, like, guys, don't get offended when somebody criticizes your work, because it's like, let's say you made $200 off something, and all they're doing is criticizing it. Like, and you fix your product page, like, bro, they just helped you, like, you're about to make $1,000. Let's just say you didn't add and you only made 200 because the site looked kind of sketchy. You could have just made 1,000, bro. They just helped you out, so don't get mad, you guys. And you need to have like a lot of criticism, and it's definitely good. Like, you need to, I don't know, just I need to wake up early. You guys need to wake up early, and honestly, it's all about testing different things that work for you. And I would say honestly, see what's failed for other people. Thaddeus, search him up. Alex Commerce, Alex Profits on Instagram, but like people like those, they're killing it. You need to follow those people and just get your mindset into that. Watch specifics on how to drop ship and all that stuff from YouTubers like Sebas and all the ones that I said. And then mindset wise, which is really important, like they don't teach mindset like to Sebas. Like no offense, like obviously, they're cool. They said like that. They give like actual skills on what to do, but Tai Lopez is more like mindset and stuff. So I feel like you need to balance the two. Or it's actually Jaden Gross said there's no such thing as balance. Or I don't know, he said something about that, but I might be wrong. But at least what's worked for me is like half Tai Lopez. He gives like basic like motivation and shows like how to get sales and all that. He doesn't go too in depth into each thing. Well, he does have his courses, but he gets other people, which is it's good. Like, he's doing a good thing. So I think without him, I couldn't have gotten the results with what Sebas taught me, or without what Sebas has taught me, I couldn't have got results. You know what I mean? Like Tai Lopez just kind of gives that motivation to what Sebas teaches, if that kind of makes sense. So I hope you guys I don't know, I hope you guys liked the video. I'm literally I hope like I'm dropping knowledge and you guys are just listening. Like, bro, it's 11:35. and like my parents were about to turn off the Wi-Fi, and like I just went snowboarding today, like 6 hours in the car. Like I'm tired, bro. My legs hurt, but hey, it's not about complaining, because if I'm not posting, somebody else is right now. I hope you guys know that if you're not posting ads that day, somebody else is. If you're not capitalizing on an ad, somebody else is. If you're not testing that product, somebody else is. So always remember, there's some kid outworking you, so you better keep going. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. That was like a little motivation. I don't know. I hope like that video right there, hopefully it can make you $1,000. Just keep pushing. And remember, the thing I'm gonna end this video is with if you can't handle the lows, why do you deserve the highs? So think about that. Comment down below what you got from this video. Hopefully I dropped some knowledge, and see you guys tomorrow if I have Wi-Fi, which YOLO, I'll go to Starbucks.